Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here mega bundle of stationery. These files for Microsoft Office, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop and InDesign. Okay, total size of these file 12.13 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in single one file. You need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. One-time payment for lifetime access. Okay, so here award certificate for Photoshop, and same thing here, best selling resume mega bundle, paper cover sheet, letter design, main file, source file in APS for Adobe Illustrator, and here for Photoshop you can customize in Photoshop. Here 27 CVs Photoshop. Okay, here 2 page of resume file. Same thing here. Okay, all files are editable. Here stationery branding volume 16. Actually these are mockup file. Stationery branding mockup. Here 6 layout, business card, letterhead, and here background. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of office.